Hey fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today's video I'm gonna post about I received a mysterious box from a person of mine who's favorite person from Amazon. This is the box which I received. So today's gonna be an unboxing video of this box out here. When the sticker out here says UN3091, if I search it in Chrome, it shows it's a electric product. I mean, it's a gadget or something kind of that stuff out in here. So let's check out what's in here. Let's further go and unbox this mysterious box. So this is me without the microphone talking to you, and there's a lots of noise going around, and I'll just plug this microphone and I'll just check how it works. I mean how good it works. So this is how I sound in the microphone. Hope you hear it clearly and the raw noise has reduced all around. From now onwards I'm gonna make videos using this microphone. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned. Bye fam.